Hello students, I am going to continue my lecture on programming in C. As per the previous classes, we have discussed the topic token in programming in C. Today we will discuss about the header files in different programming languages and in computer programming language, that is C. Okay. So, what are the header files used in computer programming language C? We know there are two main header files used in C programming language. These are stdio.h and conio.h. Conio.h are basically used in Turbo C and Turbo C++ compiler. But stdio.h is used in each and every compiler, and you must have to write stdio.h and must have to include stdio.h whenever you are writing a program in C. Okay, so stdio.h, the full form of it is standard input output header file, and the full form of conio.h is console input output header file. Now I am going to tell what is header file and what is its use. Header files are such a file which are written and stored in a compiler where all the library functions, keywords and other features of a program are defined as well as stored, so that whenever users or programmers are writing the program, are going to write the program, they can use those functions and features in their program without defining it inside the program, so that number of codes and number of lines are decreased and the program must be more familiar. Okay, so these are the header files. So in C programming language, standard input output header files is used to define the input output functions in C programming. Generally, there are two functions which are used as an input output function in C programming. One is scanf, another one is printf. Scanf is scanner function or scanning function which is used to take input in the computer programming language, that is C, and printf is a print function which is used to display the output in the program. So these two functions are called library functions, as we don't need to define it inside the program. The functions are already defined in the header files, that is standard input output header file or stdio.h. Conio.h I told already. Conio.h is specially used in Turbo C and Turbo C++ compiler. The full form of conio.h is console input output. It stores two library functions, that is clr_scr and getch. So clr_scr, the full form of this function is clear screen. This is the clear screen function. Its definition is written in conio.h. It is used to clear the output screen at the time of at the time of execution of the program. And last one is getch. Getch, the full form of this function is get character, which is used to hold the output screen so that the users can see the output properly. Without using getch in Turbo C, the output screen can't be fixed for the users. It can be flashed and the user can't see the output properly. That's why getch is used to hold the output screen, as well as it is used to take a character from the user, and by taking the character it can be out from that output screen. So these are the use of header files in C programming and other programming languages. For this session, my class is over. Thank you so much. Please wait and please subscribe my channel, and please wait for my next class. Thank you.